Two devs hit the same bug. One sees 401, the other sees 403. Both think it's the same problem. It's not. Those codes answer two completely different questions. Reframe it. An HTTP status isn't an error message. It's the server answering one specific question. 6 codes cover almost everything you'll see, and each one answers a different question. 200. OK is the easy one. The question it's answering, did it work? Yes, here's the data. Hit get, users 42. Get the user back, nothing more to it. 401 gets interesting. It's the server asking, who are you? You sent no credentials, or the token is invalid, and the server doesn't know you yet. Small trap, the spec calls it unauthorized, but it actually means unauthenticated. RFC 9110 even admits the name is wrong. It's a legacy thing nobody's gonna fix. A proper 401 includes a www authenticate header telling you how to log in. Most APIs skip it. 403 is the one people confuse with 401. Now the question is, are you allowed? You're logged in, the server knows exactly who you are, and the answer is still no. Mnemonic. 401 means unauthenticated, 403 means unauthorized. Auth versus permission. Logged in user A trying to delete user B's account? Textbook 403. 404 answers. Does this thing exist? And it comes in 2 flavors. Either the URL is wrong, like you typoed USRs instead of users, or the resource ID isn't there. One catch. Some APIs return 404 on private resources instead of 403 to hide that they exist at all. 429 is the rate limit code asking, are you going too fast? Hammer an endpoint 1,000 times a second, and you'll see this one fast. A spec-compliant 429 comes back with a retry-after header, either a number of seconds or an HTTP date. Read it, wait, then try again, and don't retry loop without exponential backoff. Worth knowing, 429 wasn't in the original spec. RFC 6585 added it back in April 2012. Rate limits are usually per API key or per IP, not global, so hitting one doesn't mean the API is down. 500 is the not your fault code. It means the server itself broke. Your request was fine, something on their end threw an unhandled exception. Don't confuse it with 502, 503, or 504. Those mean upstream problems. 500 is a bug in the server code itself. 6 codes, 6 questions. Read the status first to know which question failed, then read the body to learn why.